Are you looking for the best step stool in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best step stool that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the handy laundry folding step stool. The best things come in the most unsuspecting packages. So even though this looks like a mere folding step stool, it offers up a whole lot of handy features. In its simplicity, the handy laundry folding step stool still manages to be one of the best options out there for household use. Its versatility is unrivaled, seeing as it can be used in a number of places ranging from the kitchen to the bathroom. Thanks to its grip-dot surface, it can be enjoyed by children and adults alike without incurring any damages. In addition to all this, the presence of its anti-skid foot pads makes it one of the safest options out there. It equally renders its safety certified and passed according to the ANSI Roman 3 requirements. For all-around convenience, this step stool is extremely lightweight. This does not negate the fact that it is as sturdy as they come. It is also incredibly easy to maneuver. Simply open it up with a flip of the hand and everything will be up and running. When opened, it enables up to a 9-inch increase in height and can simply be folded back for easy storage. If you also like working at the garden, be sure to check out our selection of the best gardening stools. Up next in the 4th place is the Cosco 2-step household folding step stool. Home should be where the comfort is. After all the stress the outside world has to offer, you should at least be able to reach the top of a cabinet easily. Thanks to the Cosco 2-step household folding step stool, users can do this and more while perched on a safe piece of equipment. Its versatility allows it to be used in virtually any room within the house. Additionally, it can be used for a wide range of duties. So, whether it is for cleaning, changing a light bulb, or simply stowing away some items, this is the go-to option. The fact that it is incredibly lightweight further makes it easy to carry from one point in the house to another to carry out a range of chores. It is equally loaded with a number of features that do not only make it a convenient option, but also a safe one. Thanks to the 2 slip-resistant platforms, this step ladder is incredibly safe and secure for use. In addition to this, it is equipped with continuous rear leg support, which offers up the stability needed. To crown it all up, the leg tips are non-marring in order to ensure that you are not left with any scuff marks on your floor. The 3rd product on our list is the Duro-Med DMI step stool. With a unique design that evidently has safety and convenience at its core, this step stool option is definitely one of the best out there. Every aspect of its design is carefully tailored to the needs of individuals and suited to a number of settings in the household. The Duro-Med DMI step stool offers adults and seniors a more secure way to gain a little height when the need arises. It is clear that this is a step stool with a difference. Where most options out there usually have a few safety features, this option is packed with an array of them. Its base is fitted with a non-slip textured matting which work hand in hand with the attached rubber tips to ensure the all-around stability of the stool. The frame itself is made of a chrome-plated steel frame, which reinforces its durability as well as its stability. All in all, it can carry up to 300 pounds in weight, which certainly puts it ahead of the game. Despite the fact that it is packed with the characteristics of a heavy-duty stool, it is still quite lightweight. Its compact design ensures that it is not only easy to store, but also easy to assemble. It can be a perfect housewarming gift for the elderly or for households with kids. Second on our list is the Rubbermaid RM3W folding steel frame stool. This product offers up a more sturdy and sleek option for all your step stool related needs. Just looking at it reveals an array of features that make for a durable and long-lasting stool. With the Rubbermaid RM3W folding steel frame stool, users are guaranteed great value for every buck spent. Its overall design features a folding 3-step steel frame stool that stands at about 27.25 inches tall. Also, it happens to be coated with a heavy silver finish that is aesthetically pleasing and gives it that sleek look that can blend in well in any setting. The presence of 3 steps eliminates the need for more than one stool. The varying heights give users access to a wider range of heights. Safety is guaranteed thanks to an array of features that work together to form a secure unit. First, it is fitted with broad and sturdy plastic steps, as well as a soft comfort grip, which equally adds to all-around stability. In addition to this, the step stool has a Type Roman 3 duty rating, as well as a 200-pound weight capacity. So, users can rest assured that it will support them wholly as they scry for items usually out of their reach. To crown it all, this item conveniently folds up for easy storage. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rubbermaid RMP2 2-step molded plastic stool. From a brand as old as this one, you would expect nothing short of excellence. Best believe that a whopping 80 years is enough to perfect any formula. For that reason, the Rubbermaid RMP2 2-step molded plastic stool is in a league of its own. It is the perfect size for every household. Not only is it small enough to stow away, but it is big enough for adult use. This step stool has a maximum standing height of 16.125 inches and equally weighs about 5.6 pounds. Based on this, there is no doubt that it offers a sturdy base. With its large standing platform, it provides adequate support to users. For further convenience, it is fitted with cutout handles, which make it incredibly easy to carry it from one point to another. Additionally, it is equipped with a textured surface, which offers up a non-slip grip. This will ensure that you safely reach up without wobbling or falling. To crown it all up, your floors are 100% safe from scuffs and other forms of damage. Thanks to the non-marring feet, you can make use of this stool anywhere in your house without a second thought. You may also like some of the best fire escape ladders from our list, so be sure to check them out and find the best one for your home. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.